Meaning of gaseous.
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 Gaseous. The term gaseous is an adjective used to describe a state of matter where a substance exists in the form of a gas or has the properties of a gas. Gases have low density, high compressibility, and are able to flow freely. They lack a definite shape or volume, filling any container they are put into. Gaseous substances often exhibit different chemical and physical properties compared to their solid or liquid counterparts. Examples of gaseous substances include air, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Understanding the properties of gaseous states is essential to many areas of science and industry, such as atmospheric sciences, combustion, and refrigeration.